Welcome back to Simple Food Recipes. Today we are making classic comfort dish, creamy chicken paprikash or kuřená paprika. Simple ingredients, big flavor. This is the kind of food that just feels like home. We are starting with chicken thighs, way juicier than breast, but both work. Remove the bone, skin is totally up to you, then cut the meat into bite-sized pieces. Not too small. They will shrink a bit while cooking, and we want real chunks in the sauce. For the fat, we are using lard. It adds great flavor and gives this dish that classic cozy taste. Oil works just fine too, so use whatever you prefer. Set the heat to low to medium and let the fat slowly melt or warm up. We are doing it this way on purpose, because while the pan is heating, we can already start working on the onion and save some time. No rushing, no high heat. Just letting everything warm up smoothly so the cooking stays relaxed and controlled. Finally mince one large onion. Knife skills, box grater, mini processor. Whatever saves you time and tears. We love this little processor because it's fast, easy and doesn't make us cry. That's always a win. Add the onion to the pan and sauté until lightly golden. Not brown, not caramelized, just soft, sweet and fragrant. Now add the chicken pieces straight into the pan. Spread them out a little, give everything a quick mix and let the meat start cooking gently with the onion. No browning yet, just getting everything going. Season with salt to taste. Start with a small amount, you can always adjust later once the sauce develops. Add some black pepper to taste. Freshly ground is great, but use whatever you have. Just a light seasoning here, we don't want it to overpower the paprika. Now add the sweet paprika, about 1 tablespoon. Mix it in right away so it doesn't burn on the bottom of the pan. We want the chicken and onion evenly coated and the deep red color coming through. This is where the dish really starts to smell like paprika chicken. If you have a homemade chicken broth, that's amazing. Definitely use it. We usually don't, so we just mix chicken bouillon with water and it works great. You don't need anything fancy here, just something warm and savory to build the sauce. About 2 cups total is perfect for this recipe. Pour the broth into the pan and give everything a good mix. Scrape the bottom a little to lift all that paprika flavor. When it's combined, cover with a lid and let it gently simmer on low heat for about 20 minutes. Add the cream to the pan. Heavy cream or half and half both work. Stir gently until the sauce turns smooth and creamy. Keep the heat low here. We are not cooking the cream, just warming it through so the sauce stays nice and silky. For thickening, grab a jar with a lid. This is by far the easiest way to do it. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, then pour in some warm water. You don't need to measure the water exactly, just enough to make a loose, pourable mixture. Close the lid really well and shake it hard until everything is completely smooth. Take a second to check it. If you see any lumps, shake it again. What you are looking for is a thin, smooth liquid that will thicken the sauce evenly. When it looks right, set it aside and keep it ready next to the stove. Right before using the flour mixture, give the jar one last shake. The flour likes to settle at the bottom. Then slowly pour it into the sauce while stirring constantly. You will see the sauce start to thicken almost right away, so keep mixing to keep it smooth. Don't rush this part. Steady, continuous stirring is what prevents lumps and gives you the creamy texture. As it thickens, pay attention to how it coats the chicken and the spoon. You are aiming for sauce that's silky, not watery, and evenly thick all the way through. Once the sauce has thickened, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Stir it in until it melts completely. This smooths the sauce and rounds out the flavor. Finish with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. It won't make the sauce sour, it just balances the cream and paprika and keeps everything from tasting heavy. Give it a final stir and you are done. Cook your side the way you normally would, following the package instructions or your own preferred method. For this dish, you have a lot of great options. Pasta works really well, especially shapes that can hold the sauce. Rice is another classic choice, simple and comforting. Potatoes are always a good idea, whether boiled or mashed. And of course, dumplings are a traditional favorite with paprika sauce. We are making elbow pasta today, but the method isn't the important part here. The main thing is choosing a side that can carry that creamy paprika sauce and soak up all the flavor. Whatever you go with it, just time it so it's ready when the chicken is done. So serving stays easy and everything hits the table exactly how it should. And that's it, serving time. This creamy chicken paprikash is best enjoyed hot with plenty of sauce and a side that can really soak it all up. We usually like to serve everything in a bowl and mix it together. But for the video, we will keep things a bit more separate and clean. The sauce is rich, smooth and full of the classic paprika flavor. Simple, cozy and really satisfying comfort food. This is one of those dishes that taste even better once all the flavors have had a moment to come together. Let me know in the comments what side you choose or how you usually serve this at home. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more recipes like this. And I will see you next time on Simply Food Recipes.